welcome back for another meatless recipe. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite hearty meals that I make pretty often. It is sweet potatoes and lentils in a red coconut curry sauce. So you want to start off by cutting onion, red pepper, and a couple carrots. Add that to your pan with heated coconut oil. And let that all saute together for a few minutes. I'm using one large sweet potato and I'm going to roughly chop that into bigger pieces. You don't want to make them too small or it'll become mushy in the curry sauce. This is a little bit of this and a little bit of that type of seasoning, such as garlic powder, curry powder, chili flakes, cumin, even a little bit of cinnamon. And then I added a tablespoon of red curry paste, and then mix your sweet potatoes in with all of that. Here I have 1.5 cups of red lentils that were pre-rinsed. And I'm adding in 3 cups of water here. Now I'm adding in about half a tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of this vegetable base for added flavor. Mix that in well with everything and then add in your coconut cream or coconut milk of choice. Give that a really good mix. And now we're going to cover this with a lid and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils and the sweet potatoes soak in all the juice and soften up a bit. Perfect brown rice ready to go. Now add the spinach to your cooked lentils and sweet potato curry. And you can do this at the very end just so that you don't completely cook them to death. I usually like to just turn the heat off, add them in, and then let it sit for a couple more minutes before serving. I love making this so much, just as much as I love to eat it. It makes the whole house smell so good and it lasts for a very long time. It is very filling, and that is why I say that this is a perfect meal for beginners that are going plant-based, because you want to fill up and you are going to miss that feeling of fullness that you usually have with eating meat. So I think it's really good to try more starchy, carby foods in the beginning just so that you do feel satisfied, and load up on veggies, on lentils, beans, potatoes. Try to stay away from mock meats or processed foods because you really want to go plant-based to incorporate more plants, not so much to indulge in all the processed foods out there that don't contain animal products but are also not very great for you. I hope you try this recipe out yourself. Give this dish a chance and it may become a staple in your home as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and let me know if you try it yourself, and please be sure to subscribe for weekly meatless ideas. Take care, thank you for watching, and have a good one.
you.